Here's what I know after years of traveling. The trip itself almost never lets you down. It's the gear that does. The dead power banks, the shampoo explosion inside your bag, the charger that doesn't fit the outlet, the passport you're suddenly not sure is in your bag, even though you checked 3 times before leaving the house. So today, I'm walking you through 12 travel gadgets that have genuinely earned a permanent spot in my bag, not because they look cool on camera, because they have quietly fixed real problems on real trips. And listen, stick around for number 12, because it's the one most people overlook entirely. It's also the one that, depending on where you're headed, could matter the most. You'll want to see it. Let's get into it. Gadget 1. Bange Anti-Theft Backpack. Every trip starts here, your backpack. And I've wasted more money than I'd like to admit on bags that looked incredible in a product photo and fell apart in an airport. So when I say this one is different, I mean it has earned that claim. The Bange Anti-Theft Backpack does something most bags don't bother to do. It actually thinks about security. The zippers are hidden on the back panel, meaning the only person who can access them easily is you. There's a combination lock built in. The USB charging port sits on the outside, so your power bank stays inside the bag while your phone charges in your hand. The laptop compartment holds a large laptop properly, not crammed in sideways, not rubbing against a corner. It's also water resistant, which I discovered completely by accident during a rainstorm in Seoul. Everything inside stayed dry. I just kept walking. That's the kind of gear that earns loyalty. It has a luggage strap too, so it clips right onto your rolling bag, and your shoulders get a break in long airports. It's practical, it's considered, and it doesn't try to be flashy about it. Exactly the right vibe for a travel bag. Gadget 2. Take Today Collapsible Travel Cup. I know what you're thinking. A cup? Really? And yes, really. Because I can guarantee you've been in this situation at least once. You're in a hotel room at 7 a.m. The cups provided are those thin little plastic things wrapped in cellophane, and you don't trust them enough to actually use them. Or you're at an airport water station and you don't have anything to fill up. The Take Today Collapsible Cup is the travel item I laughed at before I tried it, and now won't leave home without. It folds completely flat, thinner than a paperback book, and pops open into a full-sized cup in about 2 seconds. It handles hot drinks without warping, doesn't retain smells, and doesn't leak when you close the lid. I've used it for coffee in hotel rooms, water refills at airport stations, and brushing my teeth in hostels where I wasn't sure about the provided cups. It weighs almost nothing. It takes up almost no space, and the number of times it has quietly solved a small but annoying problem on a trip is genuinely difficult to count. That's the thing about the best travel gear. It becomes invisible. You just stop having that particular problem. Gadget 3. Serove Passport Holder. Let me tell you what travel anxiety actually looks like at its peak. You're about to go through immigration, there's a queue behind you, and you're digging through your bag trying to find your passport. You felt it this morning. You're almost certain it's in the front pocket. Almost. That almost is its own kind of misery. The Serove passport holder exists to eliminate that specific misery from your life completely. It holds your passport, your boarding pass, multiple cards, your ID, a SIM card removal tool, and even coins, all in one slim, organized place that goes into your jacket pocket or the top of your bag and comes out in under a second at the checkpoint. But here's the feature that actually changed things for me. It has a built-in AirTag slot, so my passport is now trackable. If I set it down somewhere and walk away, I get a notification. If it gets misplaced in a hotel room, I can make it ping. The RFID blocking protects your card data in crowded terminals and transit hubs. It's slim enough that it doesn't feel bulky, and smart enough that it removes an entire layer of travel stress from your day before you even board the plane. Gadget 4. Extra Life Smart Luggage. Tag baggage claim is one of those travel experiences that never gets better. Every single carousel looks the same. Every delay feels personal, and every black bag that isn't yours is a small disappointment on a loop. I've stood at baggage claims genuinely unsure if my bag made the connection, and that uncertainty sitting in your chest while you wait is something I'd happily pay to never feel again. That's exactly what the Extra Life Smart Luggage tag does. It connects to your phone and lets you see where your bag is before it even hits the carousel. If it's close, you can trigger a sound from the bag itself so you spot it immediately in a crowd of identical black bags. If you accidentally leave a bag behind, at a gate, at a hotel, in a taxi, you get an alert on your phone. Your contact information is stored digitally inside the tag and only shows when you want it visible, which means strangers can't see your home address just by picking up your bag. Battery life is genuinely impressive. I've gone multiple trips without needing to charge it. It doesn't stop airlines from losing bags, but it completely removes the helpless feeling that comes with not knowing. And in travel, information is everything. Okay, we're about halfway through, and I want to be straight with you. The first 4 gadgets, they're about protection and peace of mind. The next few are about comfort, and this is where I think things get really interesting, because these are the items that make the actual experience of traveling feel different. Not just safer, better. So keep watching, because gadget number 6 in particular is something most people don't even think to bring on a trip, and once you hear the reason I started carrying it, you'll get it immediately. Gadget 5. Huthai Travel Toiletry Bottles. We need to talk about the shampoo incident. If you've traveled more than a handful of times, you've had one. You open your bag after a flight, and there's a thin film of something. Conditioner, lotion, face wash, coating the inside of your bag like a very unwelcome souvenir. It's everywhere, in your socks, on your phone charger, just everywhere. The Huthai travel bottles fix this problem so completely that you'll actually feel annoyed you didn't find them sooner. The bottles sit inside a rigid hard case, which means even if the cabin pressure changes dramatically during the flight, which it does, and that's exactly what causes leaks, the case holds the shape and nothing escapes. Each bottle has its own molded slot inside the case, so they can't shift around or press against each other. The bottles themselves are easy to fill, easy to clean, and clearly labeled, so you're not testing your shampoo to see if it smells like shampoo. There's also extra room in the case for small items like a toothbrush, a razor, or a nail file. It's not a glamorous product. It's not something you'll show your friends. But removing the shampoo explosion from your life forever is genuinely one of the most satisfying small upgrades you can make as a traveler. Gadget 6. Out Nano Electric Coffee Grinder. Here's the thing about travel that nobody warns you about. Everything familiar disappears at once. Your bed, your routine, your coffee. And if coffee is part of how you start your mornings, and for a lot of us, it genuinely is, landing somewhere and drinking whatever lukewarm instant powder the hotel provides isn't just disappointing. It's disorienting in a way that's hard to explain. The Outen Nano Electric Coffee Grinder is the answer to that specific, underrated problem. It's small enough to fit in your palm. It's quiet enough to run in a hotel room at 6 a.m. without waking the person next door. And it grinds well enough that the coffee you make with it actually tastes like coffee, the way your coffee tastes. One charge gives you several grinds. The USB-C charging is fast, and it's simple to clean even when you're half asleep in an unfamiliar bathroom. I started bringing this because a close friend told me it changed her trips. I laughed at her. Then I tried it. Then I bought one. It's not about being precious about coffee. It's about keeping one small grounding ritual intact when everything else around you is new. On a long trip, that one constant thing matters more than it should. Gadget 7. Basis Universal Travel Adapter. There is a very specific kind of despair that comes with landing in a new country, walking into your hotel room, setting down your bags, reaching for your charger, and realizing your plug doesn't fit the outlet. Your laptop is at 14%, your phone is at 22%, and you have a full day starting in 6 hours. This is not a hypothetical. This has happened to me. It has probably happened to you. The Basis Universal Travel Adapter works in nearly every country in the world: Europe, the UK, Australia, Asia, and it charges everything simultaneously: phone, laptop, wireless earbuds, all at once from a single outlet. The built-in USB-C cable means you need one fewer thing to pack, one fewer thing to forget, and one fewer thing to hunt for in the bottom of your bag at midnight. The power output is strong enough that your laptop actually charges at full speed, which matters when you're working remotely or need to be ready for a full day on a single overnight charge. It's compact, it's reliable, and it slides into a small bag pocket without taking up meaningful space. After traveling with this adapter, going back to juggling country-specific chargers feels genuinely absurd. Gadget 8. Zemo Travel Toiletry Bag. There is a specific kind of frustration that happens every morning in a hotel bathroom. You're standing there, half awake, digging through a toiletry bag trying to find your toothpaste, and everything is just at the bottom, tangled, falling over. One hand is holding the bag open, one hand is rummaging, and you haven't even had coffee yet. The Zemo Travel Toiletry Bag opens completely flat, like a book, and suddenly everything you own is visible at once. Every compartment is logical. Full-size bottles stand upright in their own section. Small items have their own dedicated pockets. There's no mystery about where anything is, which sounds like a small thing. And it is. But when you're tired, jet-lagged, and operating in an unfamiliar bathroom, having your toiletries organized is one less thing your brain has to manage. It works equally well for a weekend trip and a 2-week international trip. The materials clean easily, nothing leaks through to the outside, and the hook lets you hang it on a towel bar when counter space is limited. It's one of those items you stop thinking about the moment it becomes part of your routine. And that's exactly the point. Gadget 9. Canon PowerShot V10. Let me describe the person I used to be on trips. Carrying a full camera kit, a tripod, extra batteries, a separate audio recorder, spending 30 minutes setting up a shot that should have taken 3, missing the moment while preparing to document the moment. It's a particular kind of irony that takes a while to see clearly. The Canon PowerShot V10 is for people who want to capture their trips without turning travel into a production. It fits in your hand. It fits in a jacket pocket. It has a built-in stand, no tripod needed, and a flip screen that makes filming yourself solo incredibly easy. The video quality is genuinely excellent for something this compact. Stabilization means walking shots don't look like they were filmed during an earthquake, and the audio quality is surprisingly capable for a camera you can close your fist around. Low-light performance is better than anything else in this size category that I've tested. You pull it out, you film, you put it back, and you keep experiencing the thing you were experiencing. That's the entire philosophy. Travel memories shouldn't cost you the presents to make them. Gadget 10. Lucky Fellow Portable Charger, 3% battery. Boarding in 10 minutes. Gate B47. Your boarding pass is a digital QR code on your phone. This is not a drill. This is just a Wednesday at an international airport when you forgot to charge your power bank the night before. The Lucky Fellow portable charger has bailed me out of this situation more times than I'd like to admit. And what makes it different from the dozen other power banks I've owned is actually the collection of thoughtful details rather than any single headline feature. The cables are built in USB-C and Lightning, so there's nothing to forget, nothing to lose, and nothing to untangle in your bag. The magnetic charging snaps onto a compatible phone with a satisfying click. There's a dedicated spot for an Apple Watch, and there's a kickstand built into the back for watching something during a long delay. It's slim enough to slip into a jacket pocket or a small bag pouch, and powerful enough to carry a full day's worth of charging capacity. It won't power a laptop, but it will keep your phone, your earbuds, and your watch alive from takeoff to landing, which is what you actually need. Gadget 11. West Scenery Slim Wallet. Your wallet at security is a problem you don't realize you have until you're standing in a queue, people waiting behind you, and you're peeling apart a bulging traditional wallet trying to find the right card while everything else threatens to spill onto the floor. Travel moves fast. Your wallet should move faster than you. The West Scenery Slim Wallet operates on a press and fan mechanism. One button press and your cards fan out in a neat stack, visible and selectable in under a second. That might sound like a minor upgrade, but when you're moving through airports, paying in taxis, showing cards at checkpoints, or splitting things quickly at a restaurant, that 1 second per interaction adds up in a way you feel by the end of a trip. RFID blocking keeps your card data safe in crowded transit hubs and busy tourist areas where skimming is a real risk. The magnetic closure keeps everything secure when the wallet is closed. It holds more cards and more cash than its slim profile suggests, and it lives comfortably in a front pocket without the uncomfortable bulk of a traditional wallet in the back. After 2 weeks of using this on a trip, going back to my old wallet felt like going back to dial-up internet. Gadget 12. Life Straw Personal Water Filter, and here it is. Number 12, the one I teased at the beginning. I want to set the scene for why this one matters differently than everything else on this list. Imagine you're somewhere remote, a hiking trail in Southeast Asia, a small village in East Africa, a rural area after a natural disaster delays your journey, and the water available to you is river water, or water from a source you genuinely cannot verify. In most travel situations, that's an inconvenience. In some situations, it's a serious health risk. The Life Straw Personal Water Filter requires no setup, no electricity, no batteries, no waiting. You put one end in a water source, a stream, a river, a tap you don't trust, and you drink through the other end. It filters out bacteria, parasites, and microplastics with a filter rated for thousands of liters of use. It weighs almost nothing and takes up the space of a thick pen in your bag. I've traveled with mine to places where I never once needed it, and I'm genuinely glad. But here's what carrying it actually changes: the way you move through unfamiliar places. Knowing it's there means you never have to make a bad decision about water out of desperation. That quiet confidence, that particular kind of preparedness, is worth more than the weight of anything else on this list. Some gear fixes inconvenience. This one is just there, waiting, in case the trip needs it to do something more. Call to action. Here's what I'll leave you with. You don't need everything on this list. Nobody does. But the best version of any trip you'll ever take is the one where your gear is so solid, so sorted, that you stop thinking about it completely, and you just live inside the experience. Pick 2 or 3 items from this list, the ones that solve the problems you've actually had on trips. Start there. Every link is in the description below with pricing and where to find them. If this video shifted how you think about what goes into your bag, tap the like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach other travelers who could use the same information. And subscribe if you want more videos like this one, because next week I'm going into the exact packing system I use for carry-on only travel. No checked bags, no matter how long the trip. That one will save you time, money, and a lot of standing around at baggage carousels. Travel well. I'll see you in the next one.